Hi, my name is Sean McDaniel from I'mNotAClown.com. I was watching a video on YouTube about how to make a one balloon pineapple, which was pretty incredible. So I was watching that and I had this idea that if I used two balloons, make it a little bigger, but still be pretty effective. So figured I'd give it a shot. Worked out pretty well. I'm going to share it with you guys. Two balloons timed together. Both balloons inflated. You need about 2 feet of air, which leaves you that much balloon uninflated. This is going to be the bottom of your pineapple right here, right where they connect. 1 inch. Three more 1-inch bubbles. Connect this to your orange balloon. So you made 1 bubble. Clean up with that. These 2 at the bottom. This will be the first row of bubbles, and we're going to duplicate that with the orange. So 1, 2, 3. And we're connecting this right here, just above the first blue bubble. Roll them through. Like that. See if you got your bottom and your first row, which is a duplicate of 3. Easy enough, right? Okay. 1 more of the vertical bubbles, which are going to go up the sides. And this is your row that's going to be 1.5 inch bubbles. So these are all 1 inch so far. 3 at 1.5. An orange vertical bubble. Put that in. 3 orange 1.5 inch bubbles. 2, 3. Connect it right into here. Here's your row. Vertical bubble. Your next row. Go right in between that. Once again, vertical bubble, 3 more 1-inch bubbles. 1, 2, 3. A 1-inch orange bubble to go up, and connect right here. 3 1-inch orange bubbles. Connected. Here's our last row right here. 1 bubble coming up. We're going in this space right above the 1 bubble coming up. Alright. Really what we've done here is we've done a flat weave. 1 bubble coming up, a row across, bubble coming up, row across, bubble coming up, row across. In a flat weave, of course, this would be a solid bubble. We just segmented it into 3 pieces. Think of it that way, it's really straightforward. One bubble and 1 bubble, coming back to the center here. So we're duplicating exactly what we did on the bottom, where we have 1 and 1, they come together, row, 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 1 to 1, coming together. Now from here, what we're going to end up doing is we're going to do 4 bubbles. Bubble to get down to this space, bubble to get in between here, another bubble to come down to the very bottom. Best to start with 2 bubbles, and then slide it underneath the middle row, which is the big bubble, all the 1.5 inches. so that your second bubble twist ends up in the middle row. There's the top, where this is coming from. I made a bubble. Here's my first row. Another space, middle row. Going right to the bottom. Just like that. I'm going to do the same thing with this. One. Like I said, 2 is easiest to start with. I've got my first row and my second row. This twist ends up right there. So, work here. There. Now, 1, 2. Go. Pulling this one to the top. So I end it with this. Now, if you're going to turn this into a pineapple, make this out of brown or whatever. Took a 160, divided into 3 pieces. Put them into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a little bubble. Make my life easy. Put this in. Little shape. End up with that. Now, take this idea, make it out of chocolate brown. Got it all the way to the end where I have 2 pieces left up top. I had 2 dark brown pieces. It took one I brought it down and completed it, and the other one I tied a white piece on. And this would be my last piece here, but instead, get rid of that. Instead of bringing that one down, I'll put a white one in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put the white one in. And with a little finesse, get yourself a football. It's pretty solid. Throw it. Awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, I will talk to you all later. Thanks.